many organizations around the world called Action Learning. So I'm a disciple of Action Learning, moving towards lifelong learning. All what we have heard today is referred to as imparting our knowledge to the world and to improve things that are happening around us. Many things have transpired, are taking place around the world, and many visionaries talk of our rates of learning have to be equal to or greater than the rates of change. Professor Reg Revans, my mentor and guru, coined a formula for learning where L stands for, the letter L stands for learning, and P plus Q. P standing for program knowledge, and Q for the insightful, innovative questioning that you and I have to ask. Professor Alan Mumford complimented Professor Reg Revans with a formula for action learning called L equals, and individuals have to come to terms with this reality where they have to have a hunger and thirst for this body of knowledge. You and I have to delve into this body of knowledge. The more time we spend doing this, we are going to live in a better world. So the future will be the individual. The capital of the future is the individuals. And you and I have to come to terms with this important factor of lifelong learning. We heard about unlearning to learn. The more we unlearn and have this hunger and thirst for learning, we will become better human beings. With chaos, the chaos theory speaks about chaos. Through chaos comes clarity. Clarity of our minds. And through this mode of action learning, the important factor that you and I have to consider is the reflection that you and I have to do. Every day we have to reflect of what is it that you and I did that we didn't do properly. What is it that you and I have to take steps in order to move forward for the challenges that are ahead of us and the future that is going to shock the world. What is it that you and I have got to be concerned about? The more we reflect, the more we are going to be armed with the knowledge that you and I need to shoulder our responsibilities. So, ladies and gentlemen, as the time is running on, I just like to thank you all very much for coming here this evening. It's a great opportunity and a great event to have an awards being given to the candidates here. Organizations of the future can take lessons that we have learned here today, and the important thing is to go ahead and transmit this knowledge, inspire one another, and the more we do this will be a joy to the world. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.